BuildX team members are a top-notch organization. They're a step above everyone else with communication, professionalism, and timeliness. If they said something was going to happen, it happened. It's really cool to see a small business succeed in a small town. This year we are celebrating 10 years in service. My name's Dave Mulcahy. I own and operate OhDEER South Shore and OhDEER Cape Cod. I also own Ghost Scoopers, a pet waste management company. OhDEER is an all-natural deer, tick, and mosquito control program. So we're controlling nature's biggest pests and smallest pests with 2 different services. We're currently sitting in a 5,000 square foot 4-bay building that Buzz and BuildX built during COVID in 2020. This is our shop space, and it's behind our office and besides another shop space we have. My first business interaction with Buzz was an experience that I'll never forget. He literally sat here, this is gonna be real, he's like, so that's what you wanna do, but what do you really wanna do? What is the end goal with the property? I was young in life and in business with a big dream. I knew nothing about building, but I didn't wanna rent space. I wanted to be able to control the space in which we owned and allow us to scale our business to the place it is today. So our last project with the BuildX team, we wanted to go big. We wanted to take our office and completely redesign it. When the team came in, they looked at it and they said, this is a house, you're in Carver, you've got this South Shore Cape Cod feel to it, we need to keep that feel. So BuildX just completed a 3-bedroom ranch house into an office for us that had a sunroom that was dilapidated and turned it into a welcoming office for our customer service representatives, where we can now have meetings in a quiet room without everyone hearing what's going on. But we also opened up areas that weren't accessible before. So our HR department now has a service window that our technicians or any employee can go to, and it's not a scary hallway to walk down, it's a welcoming room to walk into. And then for our customer service and production team, it's given them a really quiet and comfortable area that they can sit down, answer phones, answer emails without having the windows rattle every time an 18-wheeler goes by. When working with BuildX, you have a personal team with you every single day. I mean, anyone on your property, they're there to help you and they are dedicated to you. You don't hear of, oh, I've got to go run to another job. When they're on your property, they are focused and they are working until that project is done. They've always been in communication all the time. We had time frames, we had direct contact with the person assigned to our property every day. It was a level up from any other contractor I've worked with. We could ask any question we wanted and they would say, you know what, I have the answer, or I'm not sure, I'll get you in touch with so-and-so. And we always had an answer within that day of what the next step is. BuildX also allowed us to work within the property while it was being converted into a better office space. We have never shut our business down or moved off-site, and they have completed 3 jobs during our busy season as well as our slow season. Would I recommend BuildX to friends and family? Yes. I'm extremely happy with the projects and the outcome BuildX has done for me from phase 1 through 3 at this point. We're looking at a phase 4, and I'm excited to have them back and bring the property to the highest level it possibly can be. It's honestly a hard one of like how you guys can level up again. I know you will, and I know he'll find a way. So, cheers to Buzz, cheers to the entire, family at BuildX, and, I look forward to seeing you around town and on the property again.